Good morning. Everybody was asking how to create a mock-up on your Silhouette Studio design software. So I'm going to try to show you how to do that this morning. There's things that you definitely need open first. You're going to want to open up a new project on your Silhouette Studio. The 12 by 12 seems to be the best for me. The next thing you want to open up on your Google is Google Backdrops. I did Valentine's Day. Google what color shirt that you want. The best ones to find are actually the advertisements from Hobby Lobby because they have a flat t-shirt, as you can see. So that's the ones that I try to go with. And then you're going to want to have some sort of background remover. We'll get rid of this. This is the one that I use. It's www.remove.bg. It seems to be the best one that I found so far. It works very well for me. The other thing that you're going to want to have open is a feature called Snipping tool. It is on all windows. So if you don't have it, I already have mine saved down here in my toolbar. If you don't have it, you can search here. And then you just type in Snipping tool, as you can see, and open it up. It's going to be important for you to have that up because you will be using it. Okay, so those are the things that you want up. Silhouette Studio, new project, Google some backdrops, Google the kind of t-shirt that you want, and then have your remove background software up so that you can use that. I'm going to show you two different ways how to make a mock-up. One with a project that you already have done on your studio, and one with taking just a picture and doing whatever. So here's how we're going to start. The first thing that you want to do is you're going to want to find your backdrop. This one is cute, so will you, oh wait, that's the one. Oh, I don't want that one. Never mind, I tried that earlier and it didn't work out so well. So let's go with this one. We'll just go with Valentine's since I happen to have a red t-shirt. So basically you just click on whatever backdrop you want. Save image. We're going to go I already did one earlier. Times backdrop. Okay. Save that. And then I've already saved my t-shirt, but once you find a t-shirt that you want, you do the same thing. Save image and save it to wherever you want to save it to. Okay, so here is where the remove background comes into play the first time around. What you want to do is you want to remove the background of this white background here because all you need is the red t-shirt or it's not going to show up on your background that you just chose. So you go to upload image, click on your red t-shirt. As you can see, it's now removed all the white. So you download that and save. Okay. So before I get started on showing you how to put it all together, if you have an image that you want to use, let's say a heart. Oops. Heart SVG. I always go to images because it's much easier. So what we'll do is we'll just go with this one. Save image. You can do that with any one that you want. As you can see, I already have the heart saved up here from before, so I'm just going to cancel that. But also you can, if you wanted to use, oh, I don't know. If you wanted to use one that was colored, I'm trying to find one without any of this. You could also use one that was colored. Oh, let me see what I can find. This one's colored. So we will save. We'll go save pink heart. Again, you're going to want to go to the remove background tool. So remove your background, upload pink heart. And then all you've got left is the pink heart. It's important that you do this because if you have the background on it and not just the picture that you want, it won't show up. It'll just cover up your background. So now we've got those 3 things done. Now you go to your software, go to File and Merge. Let's find that background that I picked. Oh. Well, it must not have saved, so we'll just go with this one. Doesn't really make any difference. It's whatever background you want. So again, like I said, you're going to want to use the 12 by 12. It seems to work the best. So you can stretch it out to your 12 by 12. And then from there, you go to File, Merge again. And then you're going to want to find the t-shirt that you remove the background on. See, then that superimposes it right over your background. Of course, you're going to want to stretch it out because you're going to want to be able to them to be able to see your image. This is a youth t-shirt, so I'm not going to make it any bigger. Normally, if it was an adult size t-shirt, I would stretch it all the way out to the whole 12 by 12 inch. But since this is a youth t-shirt and I want to show that it's going to be for a toddler, I'm going to leave it this way. The next thing you want to do is go to Merge again. Find the heart or whatever design that you remove the background from. Remove the red lines. So there's only thing that it's showing is the pink. Oops, I have to click on that first. My bad. Okay, so then you only got the pink. So then you just put the design wherever it is that you're actually going to put it on a t-shirt so that it looks exactly like it will when the t-shirt is finished. So that's how you do that. Now, before I show you how to save your picture so that you can post it on your Facebook or wherever it is when you want to post it, I'm going to show you how to put an image on your t-shirt with a design that you already have done in your studio. So then we're going to go open. Let me see what I have. Oh, let's go with this little monkey, I guess. That's pretty cute. Matter of fact, I think I did this little monkey for my grandchildren last Valentine's. So that might be kind of cute. So as you can see, oops, ignore his little eyeballs. Apparently it didn't work out very well for me. As you can see, oh, he's over here. It brings up your image. Now this is one that I colored. So if you want it colored, you can color it. You guys know how to do all that stuff. So you click on this little guy and you copy. Okay? Then you go back to your shirt. You want to paste him here. Oh, we're going to paste it over here. Again, go back up here and remove the red lines. Because obviously you want to show them that it's not going to look like that. So then you just shrink it down to whatever size you want or however it's going to look on the t-shirt. I usually try to click the design, the t-shirt, and the backdrop and center them. So now the design, it doesn't look like it is, but the design is centered on there. You can move it around, obviously. I think it looks a little better this way. So But that is how you do it with a brand new, or like an image that you downloaded that you haven't made into a studio design yet, and how you make a mock-up with a studio design, something that you've already done in the studio. Now here is the last part, next to the last part. This is where your snipping tool comes in important. So you click on your snipping tool, you click new, start over here in the corner. Make sure you get it all before you release your mouse. And then as you can see, your snipping tool has now taken basically what boils down to as a screenshot of what you've just made. File, save. Say we'll do a Valentine monkey. Oop. Okay. Now, once I get my picture done, I cut those out of there, and then I save this as a studio design so that when I want to put another mock-up, say I want to do the heart, or I want to put some other sort of design on here, then I still got this left. So I go over to File, Save As, and then we'll do red, Valentine tea. See, I've already done, so now this is saved as a studio. I've already done the white ones and the black ones because, as I showed you yesterday. So if I want to use that again, of course, I go to Open, or to the Open. And then I'm going to go, here's my black t-shirt studio. So then it'll bring it up, and then I can put my whatever design I want to put on there, and then take another snip of it, quote unquote snip, which is, like I said, basically a screenshot. And as you can see, this one is an adult one, so I stretched it out. Now if I wanted to make it, nope, you're going to want to use, you can make it smaller if you want to. So I hope that was easy to understand. That's the basics of being able to do a mock-up with your Silhouette Studio. It is a few steps, but it does turn out nice, as you can see. If you have any questions, you can comment or message me, or even contact me via Facebook on our my webpage, which is, not my webpage, excuse me, my page on Facebook, which is Nana D Embroidery and Daisy Jean Vinyl. Have a good day, everyone.